Welcome to the Music Department at Ysgol Maes y Cerddoriaeth. I'm Mrs Roderick, the Head of Music. AS and A2 levels are placed into three sections: performing, composing and appraising, similar to GCSE. The percentages are shown for AS, which is Year 12, and A-level, which is Year 13. The AS course is 40% of the qualification, with the remaining 60% completed in Year 13. When considering performance, in Year 12 a Grade 5 standard of between 6 and 8 minutes is expected. In Year 13 the standard is Grade 6, and there's an option to prepare an additional performance, option A, 10 to 12 minutes of performance, or option B, which requires 6 to 8 minutes. The performance examination takes place between March and May, with an external examiner visiting the school. In Year 12, you will be expected to complete 2 compositions and then 2 more in Year 13. One of the pieces will be traditional and respond to the WJEC brief, and the other is free. Of course, if you choose option B in Year 13, 3 compositions will need to be prepared. The appraising aspect of the course looks at the Western classical tradition, the symphony or religious choral music. We have been studying Mozart's Requiem in Year 12, which is Unit 3, Area of Study A, and then Verdi's Requiem in Year 13, Unit 6, Area of Study E. Learners will also follow one additional area of study, a choice of rock and pop, musical theatre, or jazz. At the end of Year 12 there will be a 1.5 hour written examination based on the areas of study. In Year 13, pupils continue with the Requiem and the Western classical tradition. In addition, they will choose 2 more areas of study. At the end of Year 13, there will be a 2.25 hour written examination based on these areas of study. Choosing to study music at A-level ensures an academic subject and provides transferable skills such as problem solving and communication, creativity, analysis, as well as performing and working as a team. All of these strengths will be useful for studying other A-levels, moving on to university and looking for a job. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to welcoming you to the department.